If you're seeing a CapCut subscription error or your Pro features are suddenly not showing up, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get CapCut synced properly again. This is especially helpful if your old free status seems frozen, your subscription isn't being recognized, or CapCut is showing the wrong account state after you paid. Before we get into the fix, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel, and it lets you know when I post more fixes that save you time. Let's start with the first and simplest fix. Clear the cache. Open CapCut, go into Settings, and find the Clear Cache option. This step matters because corrupted temporary files can keep your app stuck on an old status, which means CapCut may not refresh your subscription properly. Clearing the cache gives the app a clean start and can immediately resolve a lot of subscription-related glitches. If that doesn't fix it, move on to the hard reset process. This part is important and the order matters, so don't skip ahead. First, open CapCut PC and click your profile icon in the top left corner. From there, select Sign Out. This fully disconnects your current session and forces CapCut to refresh your account information later. Next, close the application completely. Make sure CapCut is not still running in the system tray, because if it is, the app may not fully reset. After that, relaunch CapCut and click Sign In again. Now here is the crucial part. Log in using exactly the same method you used when you paid for the subscription. If you subscribed through the Apple App Store or Google account, if you bought your subscription through TikTok, then you must log in using the Continue with TikTok button. This is one of the most common reasons people think their subscription is broken, when really CapCut is just seeing the wrong login method. Once you're signed back in, give the app a moment to sync. In many cases, the subscription status will update after the correct account is restored. If you still don't see your Pro access, there's one more important thing to check. Disable your VPN. CapCut can block or confuse Pro feature access if your IP address conflicts with the region tied to your account or payment method. So if you have a VPN enabled, turn it off completely, then restart CapCut and check your subscription status again. This can be the missing piece when everything else seems correct. If you followed all of these steps and your subscription error is still showing, double-check that you're on the correct account, that the app is fully updated, and that your payment method is active. Most of the time though, clearing the cache, signing out properly, signing back in with the right method, and disabling the VPN will fix the issue. I hope this helped you get CapCut working again. If it did, please hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.